Hello viewers, welcome to all of you to my YouTube channel Out of Box with Anil Pandey. Today on the viewers demand, just I will show you 3 bed unit, 1387 square feet carpet area in Prestige City, Sarjapur Road, Bangalore. Because viewer have just demanded to check out the model flat 3 BHK, because just you are seeing on your screen the 3 BHK type D2 3 bed unit, sale area 1387. Because again these all are the flat in Prestige cities booked. However, I say again and again, people book for growth, and then when any time any buyer at even on the possession stage or before possession stage, there are chances that people are selling out. So for that purpose, they may contact to Prestige marketing office, because they are the only having the source and having the data, who are the people after taking the growth want to sell. So right now just I am showing you on viewers demand the 3 BHK layout Prestige City. As you know, Bangalore is for IT city, and so many people around the state spread in India comes here for employment in search of, and again in search of home. So right now you are seeing this Prestige City 3 BHK layout. It will be just like, because it is a huge for new viewer, I will just say Prestige City is a landmark architectural project going on in Sarjapur main road. Location wise, if you check it out, it is well connected to educational hub, and so many IT parks are nearby, like RGA Tech Park, Wipro, and Eco World, and these are the IT parks are just nearby. And then a school also for college, reputed college, hospital, and also in the third phase metro is coming to this area. So it is highly developed area in the Bangalore. If you check it out, the only two places development is going on. One is towards North Bangalore airport side, another this area. So it has got still a huge opportunity for growth. Just now you are seeing the kitchen part is quite 3 BHK. Be contained with, this is the kitchen area which you are seeing, and fittings and all are branded. Construction wise, if you check it out, Prestige is doing construction with Larsen and Turbo. This is a hall area which you are seeing it, quite bigger hall. Two washroom they have in this unit, in area of just you are seeing 1387. For new year, I will just say the Prestige City have one parcel of land, 1000 parcel of land in near about 188 acres. In that they have plenty of the residential project. The moment you enter from the Sarjapur gate, you will find Aspen Green Villa, near about, you can say, 300 plus villas, and then in front of the Aspen Green Villa you will find Avalon Tower, then adjacent to Avalon Tower, Eden Tower, Meriden Tower, and then Aston Tower. So flat residential is 4 type, and then further behind that you will get a independent villa, near about, you can say, 1000 independent villa, and then a quite huge space area. You can find a 75% open area. So right now just you are seeing the room. Now this is the washroom. This is another room they are giving. So in this proper unit of 3 BHK, it has got 3 BHK plus 2 bathroom. viewer has just demanded so many times, just show me the model flat area. So you will find similar thing, whether it is Avalon or Meriden or Aston or Eden Park. In that carpet area 1387, you will get same configuration, same floor plan. So as per your requirement, you can do the interior also. This Prestige City launching was there near about in, you can say, 2021 this project was launched, and now it is on the handing over stage in coming year 2025. Let it be Aspen Green Villa, Avalon or Eden or Meriden, all will be completed and will be as tentative, will be handed over in 2025. So the people who want to still in search of their home, they can contact to Prestige City Marketing Office, authenticated place. I will never advise viewer to go to trap of the broker, because ultimately the broker will just will not give you the authenticated price. So correct information you will get to Prestige Marketing Office. Just now another washroom which you are seeing, the fittings and all and construction is with good quality. Ultimately it is your hard earned money, and this is also a class builder with listed in Bombay Stock Exchange listed. So it has got very nice this thing in this in the way to have this. It is very nice property. You can just check it out and take out when you check your budget, then you can just decide. So this is for the information purpose. I just brought on the viewer demand to you. So yes, I will be, as you know, I am just putting the my video on the real estate, especially Prestige or Godrej or any. My aim is to bring to my viewer E-class builders project with good construction and also where the money is safe. Means not I don't go and advocate for local builders. So viewer, how you like this video? Let me know through comment box, and also do subscribe my channel, and also share this video to your contact people who may need the home, so they can get a proper information regarding the project, and ultimately the decisions of where is the final, because ultimately there is a hard money. So my motto is to give or provide the latest project which is coming for possession, even for available for resale. So this is the project, one of them in that. Again, thank you for watching my channel, my video. Thank you once again. We will meet again with a new video.